Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my Blissful Chevron Afghan. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the double crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 10 plus 2. So like I said, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 10 plus 2. I'm going to make 152 chains for my example blanket. So again, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 10 plus 2. I ended up making 152 chains for a throw size blanket. To start row 2, make 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook. You're then going to make 1 double crochet into each of the next 3 chains. So that's 1, 2, and 3. You're going to skip 2 chains and then make 1 double crochet into each of the next 4 chains. So we're skipping these 2. I'm going to make a double crochet into this one, so that's 1 of 4. And then 2, 3, and 4. Make 2 chains, 1, 2. And then you're going to make 1 double crochet into each of the next 4 chains. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you can see already how our sequence is forming. We have 4 double crochet for each of our sides. This was our valley where we skipped those 2 chains. 4 double crochet for a side. This was our peak, these 2 chains that we had made. And then this is a side of 4. So now we're ready to make our next valley. We're going to skip 2 chains and then make 1 double crochet into each of the next 4. Now you're going to make 2 chains for the next peak. Then make 1 double crochet into each of the next 4 chains. So you can see that it's 4 double crochet valley, 4 double crochet peak, 4 double crochet valley, 4 double crochet peak, 4 double crochet. So next would be a valley. I'm going to continue on with this sequence for the rest of my row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. Into the first stitch of your row, make 2 double crochet. Then make 1 double crochet into each of the next 2 stitches. So that's going to be 4 double crochet for our first side. We've come to our first valley. You're going to skip 2 stitches to make that valley. Into this next stitch, make a double crochet. And then make a double crochet into the next 2 stitches leading up to this peak. So you can see for our next side, we have 3 double crochet so far, but we've reached our peak. So into this peak, you're going to make a double crochet. That's going to complete these 4 double crochet for this side. 2 chains to make our peak space, and then a double crochet into that same peak space we were working into. So double crochet, chain 2, double crochet into this peak space. This double crochet completes this set of 4. This double crochet starts our next set of 4 for our next side. So into the next 3 stitches, make 1 double crochet into each for that next side. We've come to our next valley. You're going to skip these 2 stitches like we did before, and now we're going to start the sequence over again. Into this next set of 3 double crochet, you're going to make a double crochet into each. Then into this peak space, double crochet, chain 2, and double crochet all together into that peak space. You're now going to continue this sequence until you reach the chains at the end of your row. So when you reach the end of your row, you're going to have 3 double crochet into the last 3 stitches, and then you're going to have some chains at the end of your row. To complete this side of 4 double crochet, we're going to make a double crochet into the tops of those chains to complete that side of 4 and to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for how long you want your blanket. I'm going to continue on with my blanket and come back when it is complete. So this is how my Afghan turned out. I ended up making a total of 64 rows for the body. I tend to stick around a throw size, which is about 55 inches by 60 inches. And that is going to be how to make my Blissful Chevron Afghan. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.